Good morning, everyone. It is Saturday morning. It's about 6:30. I woke up about 30 minutes ago at 6 o'clock because I am editing this morning. I meant to get this video out yesterday, but sometimes there's just too many other things to do. It can definitely get a little bit stressful with getting videos out and doing YouTube and everything. So I feel like I fall behind a little bit, but yesterday I got up at 6 and then today I got up at 6, which I think to some people it's probably yeah, that's just when you get up. But for me, often I don't get home until 9 or 10 o'clock. That's kind of normal for me. So 6 o'clock is definitely not my usual wake up time, but that's okay. So we're getting it done today. At least it's a beautiful sunny morning, so that kind of helps wake you up a little bit. So I'm gonna sit here and edit. I've got my coffee with me, and then I'm leaving for teaching at 8:30, so I have a couple hours. All right, I'm feeling a little more alive, a little more awake. It is now 7:30. So I finished editing the actual video. I still have to do the thumbnail, so it'll take maybe 20 minutes or something when I get home this afternoon, but then I can get it up. So for now, I'm gonna make a breakfast and just kind of relax for the last hour before I go to dance. All right, breakfast this morning, I'm gonna do avocado toast with a little bit of sprouts and some hemp seed hearts for protein, and then just some strawberries on the side. All right, I just got to the studio, so I'm gonna go pop in there and teach for a few hours. All right, I just got home from dance and I am really quickly going to finish up my thumbnail and put up my video, and then I'm gonna have a quick snack. I actually already have it organized. I've been making these little chia seed puddings. They're so simple. It's literally 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, half a cup of whatever milk, oat milk or cashew milk or whatever you're using, and then just a little bit of honey, half a teaspoon or something. So I'm gonna eat that for snack and just finish this up quickly. And then I think we're gonna go downstairs and play with Charlie a little bit because it is such a beautiful day outside. It's 20 degrees, which has not been happening here regularly. So I'm excited to get some use out of that lovely sun and get outside with the puppy. Took Charlie to the beach earlier and he was very, very dirty. So we just put him in the bath. So he's a little wet now. What are you doing? Okay, I feel like I need to whisper, but the puppy just fell asleep and I would really like to make lunch. So I'm hoping he stays asleep. So I'm trying not to be too loud. I'm just gonna make a salad for lunch. And then I have to leave for my meeting in 30 minutes. Okay, so this is the plan for the salad. So the arugula is the base, and then cucumber, tomatoes, some sprouts. This I just am obsessed with, the red cabbage organic kraut, some hemp seeds, olives, feta, and then pumpkin seeds and walnuts. And then I just use extra virgin olive oil and balsamic vinegar for the dressing. I've literally been obsessed with these big salads lately. I've had one almost every day for the last 2 weeks. I always go through phases of food. Sometimes I just eat salads every day, or I eat avocado toast every day, or whatever it is. Go through phases. I'm still trying to be quiet because the puppy's still sleeping and I don't want him to wake up right now. I'll show you guys. So cute. I'm gonna finish up my salad and then I'm gonna go bring the dog downstairs, put him in the kennel, and then hopefully Colin's parents will be back. All right, I just got back from my meeting, so I'm gonna do a really fast get ready because I need to film my wine review. On Saturdays, I do a wine review on Instagram stories, so if you haven't seen it, go check it out. And then I'm gonna go meet up with my sister in like 45 minutes, so I need to be nice and quick about this. Okay, so this is literally just going to be the fastest get ready ever. So I'm just putting a little bit of sunscreen on first because we're gonna sit outside. When I meet my sister, quick little bit of foundation. Quick little bit of eyeshadow, just like a nude one. Mascara. Eyebrows. A little bit of contour slash blush slash bronzer. And then just a little bit of highlight. So just on the end of my nose, a bit on the inside corner of the eye, then a little bit under my eyebrow, and then just a little bit on my cheekbones. All right, that's it. That's all we have time for. Hi everyone, happy Saturday. I hope you've had a wonderful day so far. Because it is Saturday, you guys know what time it is. It's time for another wine review because Saturdays are for wine. It's been really nice and sunny here all week, so we are going with a white this week. This is the Bread and Butter Chardonnay from Napa Valley, California. Good morning. It is Sunday morning. It's about 7:30 and I just got up like 30 minutes ago and I'm just sitting here drinking my water. I try to make it the first thing that I do. Like when I first get up, I always just drink a glass of water before I ingest anything else. I try to do it before I touch my phone, before I go on Instagram or check any messages or anything like that. So I'm just gonna finish up my water and then, to be honest, my house is kind of a disaster. So I'm gonna clean up the kitchen and probably vacuum and just do like little bits here and there because when I get really busy, I completely leave the house. I don't make it a priority at all. So it's kind of gone by the wayside. So I need to spend a little bit of time cleaning up this morning. And then I'm planning to meet my sister and brother this morning and we're gonna grab a coffee and then go play some tennis. And I think Colin will meet us at tennis as well. I just put the dishwasher on, so it's a little bit noisy. Sorry for that. But I'm just gonna put on some coffee while I wash the dishes so that it brews and I can drink my coffee. I think I might make a smoothie this morning as well before I head out. When I'm cleaning, I'm always listening to a podcast. I have two categories of podcasts that I like. I either listen to something that's really entertaining or something that's educational. I would say my favorite podcast is probably the Skinny Confidential Him and Her podcast. And then I also really like the Lady Gang podcast. I've been making these smoothies a lot lately in the morning. So I use Kefia as the base, and it's also a probiotic. And then I add 1 banana, a teaspoon of this green powder. Today I'm adding a mango, but sometimes I'll do strawberries or whatever other fruit that I have. And then a handful of frozen blueberries. Sometimes I add hemp seed hearts to this as well. Alright, we had a nice little morning, had some coffee, a croissant, and we are about to play some tennis. My brother and sister are already warming up. We just got back from playing tennis. It is like 12:30 and I just got dressed and I'm gonna make a salad, one of those big salads like I did yesterday. I'm just obsessed with them right now. We've been having them like almost every day. So I'm gonna make one of those for myself and for Colin. So I'm using pretty much the same ingredients as yesterday. So the baby arugula, cucumber, that same red beet and cabbage organic kraut, tomatoes, feta, olives, the hemp seed hearts, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, and then olive oil and vinegar for dressing. It's about 1:30 now and I'm gonna clean up this kitchen a little bit. This is where I had all my dresses, so I need to put that away. I've been using my ballet bar as like a clothing rack, so that's been there for a while. So I'm gonna clean that up and I'm gonna vacuum the house as well. And then I'm just replacing these flowers for some fresher ones from the garden. I love having fresh flowers on the table. I just find it such a mood booster. Come here, buddy. Good boy. Good boy. Good listening. Yeah. Charlie, come here. Good boy. Sit. Sit. Stay. Stay. Good boy, come here. Good boy. So Charlie and I are just coming down to the beach. We're gonna do a little walk down here. If you guys saw my first vlog with Charlie when we got him, you would know that Charlie is Colin's parents' dog primarily, but he's kind of shared. Like Colin and I take him for a couple hours every day. So Colin's parents live downstairs from us, if you don't know already. I'm trying to watch him at the same time. So we try to take him for a couple hours every day and do some training and just like get out some of his energy, because obviously he has that like kind of crazy puppy energy. So he needs to be like played with and ran and trained and all that fun stuff. So we're just gonna go for a little walk down at the beach, just maybe 20 minutes or something. And then I'll take him back upstairs and we'll probably do a little more playing upstairs. Oh, what's that? I think that's a little big for you, don't you think? It's about 6 o'clock now, and I just was doing some laundry, doing some kind of catch up. I love using Sundays for like a catch up day, doing laundry and cleaning and vacuuming and all that good stuff. So it's nice to just like catch up. And every Sunday, I basically always do my planner. Like I update my planner for the next week, and I just kind of like figure out what my week is gonna look like. So I have a good idea in my head and then also on paper. And then every night before like the next day, I just kind of refer back to my planner, see what I had planned out initially at the beginning of the week to get done that day. And then that just helps me kind of stay on task. It doesn't necessarily always go as planned, but if I have something planned at the beginning of the week, usually it's more efficient than if I were not to. So I showed you guys this planner in my vlog from a couple weeks ago, but there's like the wins and improvements from this past week. So I'm gonna fill that out because every week at the end of the week, it like gives you a good idea of like what you have been doing well, and then maybe what you're like not doing a great job of concentrating on, so that I can hopefully improve it for the next week. And I do actually find that that's fairly successful. So I'm gonna take the next like 10 or 15 minutes and just plan this out, figure it out. I do like a combination of this and my phone. Like I'll look at my calendar, my phone, because that's where I put like my far ahead appointments. And then I also have talked about this before. I use the app Things. I think this is currently Things 3. And then that's where I put my like daily to-do list. So I actually use 3 different things, but I find that it works really well for me. It is about 7:30 now, and I'm just about to have dinner. So on Sundays, Colin's parents actually always cook. They make like a big meal, and then we usually can have it for leftovers for like the first couple days of the week. So it's actually just the most wonderful. They're the sweetest people. So today they made like a chicken Caesar salad and little like tart desserts. I'll show you guys. So they always send it up on like some sort of little platter or something. So there's like the Caesar salad here, and then they made chicken and these little like custard tarts, and then some bread as well. So I'm just gonna put together a little plate of that and enjoy some dinner. It's about 8:30 now, and I'm gonna wind down with a bath. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give the video a like, because it does really support my channel, and the way that the algorithm works, that helps like boost the videos. So I would appreciate it. Super helpful for me and really easy for you. Thank you. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.